Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Pluck CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5. It is a small, simple PHP-based content management system. Using Pluck, you can easily manage your own website. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. This makes Pluck a great choice for every small website. Under the General Public License GPL, Pluck is completely open source. First, I am going to check the OS version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. To install Pluck CMS, we need LAMP setup. I have already installed a LAMP setup. To check the version of Apache, use the following command. We are using Apache version 2.4. To check the version of MySQL, use the following command. We are currently using MySQL version 15.1. Check the version of PHP, use the following command. We are using PHP version 8. Now I am going to download Pluck CMS using wget command. List files. I have named the downloaded file as master. Now I am going to unzip. List files. Now you can see it is unzipped as pluck-master. Move the pluck master into this directory. Now I am going to give ownership to that file. Now I am going to give permission for that directory. Now I am going to create a configuration file and add the virtual configuration inside the file. Insert the virtual configuration. Write and quit. Disable the firewall D and SE Linux. Restart the Apache service. Go to web browser. Open a new tab. Enter the IP address. It's working. Start the installation. Click proceed. Enter the title. Test. Email. Create your own password. I'm giving 123456. Save. Title test. Welcome to linuxsolid.com. Click save. Now Pluck has been successfully installed. Click take a look at your website. It's working. This is the dashboard of Pluck CMS. With this, the installation of Pluck CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.